You have to hear this. So each year, the US government gives away up to 55,000 green cards through a lottery. It's commonly known as the Green Card Lottery or the Diversity Visa Lottery Program. It's that in this lottery, you don't win $1 million, but you win a green card, which will give you the opportunity to come to the United States to live your American dream, work, and live here legally. The point of the visa lottery is that the US government wants to diversify the immigrant visa population for the benefit of the United States. Now, in order to partake in this program, you have to be eligible. You cannot submit an entry if you do not qualify. The first eligibility criteria is that you have to come from a country with a low rate of migration within the last 5 years to the United States, meaning you have to be born in a country which has had less than 50,000 people immigrating from that country to the United States within the last previous 5 years. I've shared a video on the 18 countries which do not qualify for this year's American Visa Lottery Program, the DV 2025. Here is the timeline of the process. The registration is from October 4th, 2023 to November 7th, 2023. Next year, in May 2024, the results of those who are selected will be made known and published on the official US government website. If you are selected, then from October 1st, 2024, which is the beginning of the fiscal year, you can begin to submit your immigrant visa application. Now, when you submit the immigrant visa application, you will be sent an interview notice depending on your case number. The case number will tell you when a visa will be available for your case, and then you'll be called for an interview. And you should be issued with your visa before the end of the fiscal year, September 30th, 2025, which is why it's called, this year's visa lottery is called DV 2025, because if you have not been issued your visa by September 30th, 2025, then you will not be allowed to benefit from being selected. Now, think of the process as the registration process as all the names that submit an application. We fold them in a paper and put them in a big hat, and we shake, and then about 100,000 people are selected. So it's a randomized computer selection, and if you are selected, then you get the opportunity to apply for a visa. The US government will always allow more selectees than people who will be granted the visas, because they know some people will not be willing to continue with the process, and also there will be some people who will be disqualified because they fail to follow instructions. Now, please don't rush to apply for this visa lottery. Watch my next video on the dangers of applying for the visa lottery, or things you have to be aware of before you apply for the visa lottery. All the best, and follow me for more.